Hello children, good morning. How are you? I'm fine. So children, we have already started the syllabus, that is science syllabus for the third standard children. We have already started a chapter called as plant and its parts. So till now we have already learned about the parts of the plant, draw the plant and label its parts. We have already done it, and we have already learned the types of the plant, that is what kind of plants are there, that is herbs, shrubs and trees. So today we are going to learn about the parts of the plant and its functions. So let us start it. The part of the plant above the soil is called as shoot system, and the part of the plant below the soil is called as root system. There are two types of roots. One is a tap root, another is a fibrous root. So tap root is a root which is having a strong root, and surrounding there we have a small roots which are growing. And the fibrous root is a root which is having a numerous number of hair-like roots. This is the fibrous root and this is the tap root. Now let us learn about the functions of the root. So what is the work of the roots? Functions of the root means what are the work of the roots. So what the root does? Root helps the plant to hold the plant firmly and straight on the soil, on the ground. Okay. Then it takes water and mineral from the soil. These roots helps to take the water and mineral from the soil, and it provides all the nutrients, water, everything to the plant through the stem, to each and every part of the plant, to the leaves, to the fruits and to the flowers. Whatever the minerals and water we are getting from the soil, the root collects all the water, mineral from the roots, and it circulate all the related required things to the parts of the plant. Okay, the next part of the plant is stem. Here the stem is the thing which is grown above the soil. This part is called as a stem. Okay, so what is the functions of this stem? What is the function of this stem? It connects all the parts of the plant. What the stem is doing here? It is connecting all the parts of the plant. Here it is connecting all the branches and all the leaves, all the fruits, everything it is connecting to the stem. So what is the function of the stem? Stem connects all the parts of the plant, that is the leaf, the fruits, everything are connecting to the stem of the plant. The next function is it helps the plant to stand straight above the soil, above the ground. The third function is it transports water from the soil. This stem transports water from the soil to all the parts of the plant. What it does? Its third function is it transports all the water, nutrients present in the soil to all the parts of the plant, that is to the leaf, and it also helps to provide the leaves to produce the food. It produces the food. The fourth function is some stems are storing extra food and are eaten by us. For example is sugarcane. Can you see the stem here, children? This is the stem of the sugarcane. Here the sugarcane is the extra food present in the stem of the plant. So sugarcane is a stem which is used to eat. Okay. The next is the potato. Potato is also a part of the plant and it is a stem. Potato is a stem. It is a part of the stem. Potato which we are eating, it is a part of the stem. So okay children, thank you. Today we are going to end up this session. Today we have learned the parts of the plant and its functions. Among the parts of the plant we have learned about the roots, we have learned about the stem. We have learned the types of the roots. There are two types of roots. One is a tap root, another is a fibrous root. So what is a taproot? It is a strong root which is having a numerous number of small roots grow around it. Okay, the next is a fibrous root which is having a numerous number of roots. So we learnt about the taproot and fibrous root and its functions also. And the next we have learnt is about the stem. What are the functions of the stem? So today we will conclude this session, and the next parts and functions of the plant will be continued in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.